This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Here's the waterfront property you've been looking for. New roof, August 2024. Cast iron restoration September 2024. Super clean space coast home with lots of spaces. 4 bedrooms for large family, lots of company, or a home office, or 2. Huge living room west/adjacent dining area, both have lovely laminate flooring. Tiled family room conveniently open to efficient kitchen. And, the huge Florida room is a great spot to watch the sunsets. As is the paver patio. Oversized, super clean garage for your cars or a great wood shop area or both. Of course the star of the show is the navigable water frontage. A slice of Florida living. Home also features air conditioner Reme Halo UV filter 2021, fresh paint, fresh carpet in bedrooms, sprinkler system on an artesian well, no impact on your water bills, and gas water heater. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Taylor at 321-795-7074.